Hello, we are working on 10.7 day 1, the surface area of spheres. Your essential question is just how do you find the surface area of a sphere? A sphere is basically just a 3D circle. There's a picture of one down here. The same parts of your circle are part of your sphere. So you have your radius, which is again, the distance from the center to the edge. You have your diameter, which is your distance across the entire thing. And then you have your circumference, which is the distance around the outside. They also have your center point labeled here. To find the surface area of your sphere, you're going to use the formula surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Again, r is your radius, the distance from the center to the edge. We're going to go ahead and do our first example. Notice for this one, they tell me this entire length is 30. That's my diameter. And remember, my diameter equals my radius, or excuse me, let's try this again. My radius equals my diameter divided by 2. So I'm going to do 30 divided by 2 equals 15, and that's my radius. We're going to plug it into that surface area formula. So I have surface area equals 4 pi times 15 squared. Again, remember my formula is the one above, 4 pi r squared. I'm going to go ahead and square 15 first. If I have 15 squared, we get 225. So I have 4 pi times 225. And then 4 times 225 gives me 900. So I'm going to zoom in out a little bit. So for this one, my answer in terms of pi would be 900 pi. Again, we're talking about surface area. So my units are going to be centimeters squared because we're talking about area. We're going to put that in my calculator. So 900 times pi, that gives me 2,827.4 centimeters squared. Again, your first answer is the one in terms of pi. The second one is rounded to the nearest tenth. All right, my second one, we're doing the same thing. Surface area equals 4 pi r squared. This time they give me my radius. They even tell me it equals 9. So we're going to do surface area equals 4 pi times 9 squared. So we have 4 pi times 81, which is what 9 squared is. We're going to do 4 times 81, and we get 324 pi. Again, for this one, it's in centimeters, so my units would be centimeters squared. Again, if I want to type that into my calculator, we do 324. Remember, for pi, you're using 3.14. So times second pi, you get 1,017.9 centimeters squared. Again, both these answers are the same. The first one's in terms of pi, and the second one is your answer rounded to the nearest tenth. All right, thank you for watching. As always, go ahead and answer your questions about the video, and then get started on your homework.